Let's face it, mortgage marketing hasn't evolved much since 2008. Cold calling realtors, waiting for referral scraps, and sending the same canned emails? That's not a growth plan, that's survival mode. Hi, I'm Auggie. I've helped loan officers and mortgage teams get seen, get leads, and build systems that create predictable production. If you're ready to stop winging it and start building real volume, this plan is for you. 1. Build a brand that goes beyond rates. Why this matters. You're not the only one offering a 30-year fixed. That's why your brand needs to show value beyond rates. People don't remember the lowest quote. They remember how you made them feel. Safe, understood, and confident. When you're building a mortgage brand, focus on trust, clarity, and consistency across your digital presence. The goal is to establish you as the go-to loan expert in your local market. What makes a great brand for mortgage pros? Messaging that explains process clearly and calmly. Showing off your client, wins, and real testimonials. A content voice that reflects both expertise and empathy. Example, 1LO. We coach started posting quick videos explaining closing costs and debt-to-income ratios. His pre-approved clients almost doubled in 60 days. Why? Trust. 2. Lead generation, marketing. Prospecting, why this matters. To stay competitive in the mortgage space, you need both long-term inbound marketing strategies and short-term prospecting techniques that generate immediate conversations. Modern loan officers use a hybrid of both to build a steady stream of mortgage leads. Mortgage pros who win big know how to balance marketing, long game, with prospecting, short game. A. Marketing. That attracts Facebook, YouTube ads, targeting homebuyers in your state, Google business profile showing reviews, FAQs, and service areas, landing pages for pre-approval with custom forms, local SEO content like 5 things first-time buyers in your city need to know about loans. Example, we helped a loan officer rank for a mortgage broker city name and saw 300% more form submissions in 90 days. No ad spend needed. B. Prospecting with purpose. Why this matters. Prospecting is your fast lane to conversions. It doesn't rely on algorithms or wait-and-see marketing, it's sweat equity that drives real-time results. Mortgage prospecting includes reaching out to warm leads, reconnecting with agents, and positioning yourself as the solution before competitors do. Want faster results? Time to get sweaty. Text every pre-approved lead weekly. Still hunting? Let's run new numbers. Follow up with every agent after an open house. Want a partner for your next deal? DM renters in your local FB groups offering a rent versus own. Break down quick truth. Marketing, Saksh nets. Prospecting, Chaksh spears. You'll close faster when you do both. 3. Content and social media. Teach, don't pitch. Why this matters. Content marketing is your chance to position yourself as an expert and stay visible to your target audience. People are searching for mortgage answers daily. Be the person who gives them clarity. Good mortgage content builds SEO, educates, and creates trust without ever needing a hard sell. Most people are scared of mortgages, but also curious. Content that educates and removes fear builds serious loyalty. What works? Quick explainers on VA, FHA conventional programs. First-time buyer myths busting behind-the-scenes videos on what underwriters look for. Closing success stories with real numbers and photos. Example, an LO we worked with started a weekly Q&A on IG stories. Within 30 days, he booked 4 consults directly from DMs. Pro tip, consistency, polish. You don't need perfect lighting, just real talk. 4. Follow-up that works. While you sleep. Why this matters. Mortgage follow-up is where deals are won or lost. If you're relying on memory, sticky notes, or I'll call them tomorrow, you're leaking leads. Automated follow-up systems ensure every lead stays engaged through smart nurturing sequences. You can pre-qualify all day long, but if your follow-up is manual and inconsistent, you're leaving money on the table. Here's what an automated system looks like. Text, email immediately after form fill or consult. Follow-up drips every 3 days. Tips, FAQs, offers to rerun numbers. Call reminders at the 7-day and 14-day. Mark re-engagement campaigns after 30+ days of inactivity. Why this works. Your name stays fresh right when they're ready. 5. Productivity and focus. Stop reacting, start leading. Why this matters. If you want consistent closings, you need a daily system that keeps you in control. Smart productivity habits free you up to focus on income-generating tasks like follow-up, partnerships, and deal structuring. You're not just a loan processor, you're a business owner. Let's build a plan that blocks time for income-generating activities, automates 80% of admin work, eliminates busy work with CRM pipelines, plus reminders, keeps your mind clear and your calendar profitable. Example, one mortgage team adopted this rhythm and freed up 10 hours a week while increasing funded loans by 28%. Final thoughts. This isn't magic. It's just a better plan. You don't need more hustle. You need a system to drive leads, a strategy to follow up, a brand people remember and recommend. Let's build it. Resources to help you implement. AskAuggie.com, mindset plus strategy, coaching for mortgage pros, mymarkettools.com, follow-up automation for loan officers, ask8.com, lead generation services and funnels for mortgage professionals. Let's make mortgage marketing something that finally works. Book a call.